Interesting weather day for folks out of the coast. It was gray. It felt way more like fall. Take a look at Pismo Beach from our webcam there, powered by Surfline. You can check out this camera and more at ksby.com. Okay, high resolution satellite pictures not going to surprise you then. We've got a lot of low cloud cover. It's already pushing into the coastal valleys. We still have smoke in the Central Valley, but because our flow is more onshore, we haven't seen as much of it. It's not zero, but not as much. The ridge of high pressure is broken down, so we have all kinds of low cloud cover, upper level cloud cover out in the Pacific as well. But right now, it's just low clouds. You can see some of those higher clouds are starting to encroach here just a little bit. Today's daytime highs, San Luis Obispo, 71. Santa Maria, we continue to head down. Yesterday, 68. Today, 66. But look at the interior. 94 Paso Robles, 85 in Cuyama, 79 at Hearst Castle above the inversion for that marine layer. It was actually fairly warm, but Morro Bay is 59, 60 at Pismo Beach. Let's check out current numbers. 60 at Los Osos, 59 Oceano, 58 San Simeon. Not a surprise, the low clouds are in there. Santa Maria, 61. Again, that marine influence is trickling into the Santa Maria Valley. But Santa Barbara, we have 77, 93 in Paso Robles, 83 in Atascadero. And again, same issue as we saw yesterday. There isn't enough transport to take that heavier, dense air and get it deeper into the interior yet. Let's take a look at the microclimate model. You can see the low clouds are showing up here. The modeling is saying it's around, lingers at the beaches. It's going to be quite a bit like that over the next several days. You can see Wednesday into Thursday, more low clouds. What's interesting as we get into Friday, this marine deck is going to get quite extensive, and mist and drizzle possible, especially at the south coast here with a little southerly push. San Luis Obispo could see a little bit as well in terms of mist and drizzle, and it's going to be kind of a grayish day on Friday. Cambria could see some, Pismo Beach could see some. You can see how those temperatures get down into the lower 60s for highs. Now, let's take a look at the extended forecast in terms of trend. One more warm day in the interior, then a big drop on Thursday and even cooler Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that same mechanism that brings that shower chance, that mist drizzle chance to much of the area as we get into Friday, well, that is going to cool the interior, coastal valleys as well. You can see those temperatures in the 60s. By the way, we're still tracking Epsilon. It's a tropical storm. It's going to strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane. It's not going to threaten the U.S., but maritime concerns are out there as well. And here you can see that ridge breaking down, trough digging into the west here. And again, it's that trough, this plunging action in here that's going to cool us as we get into next week as well. So here's the forecast. 82 slow, 77 Santa Maria, 91 Paso Robles, 77 Santa Barbara. But again, to note, beach locations will be dramatically cooler, 80s in the Santa Ynez Valley. We're very bullish to say that Pismo Beach could hit the 60s because, again, today it was 60 for a daytime high. So upper 60s, low 70s, again, is being pretty optimistic about those beach numbers. So here's the extended forecast. You can see how we kind of cool down heading into the upcoming weekend. Again, Friday, depending on where you are, mist, drizzle, gray, cooler.